So here's a simple question. Out of these two cars in a snowstorm, which cars would you pick? If you had to. I know you're going to say neither, whatever, but if you had to. Life or death situation in a snowstorm, which of these two cars would you pick to use? So I'll give you a hint. One's 382 horsepower. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. All right, here you go. One of those cars is this Supra Mark V, 6-speed, 382 horsepower, rear-wheel drive. All right, so this is an automatic 3-cylinder, 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive. So this other one's a GR Corolla, all-wheel drive, but an automatic, 300 horsepower. Obviously, I know who's going to be the winner, but what do you think? All-wheel drive, automatic, or rear-wheel drive, stick? But if you had to, those two, which one would you pick?